Hi, I'm Jeff and welcome to my shop. In this video, I'm going to build this plant stand here for this slightly sad looking avocado tree that I grew from a pit. So this is going in a little room in our house where there's a live edge cherry slab table that I built a number of years ago. So I went with this live edge cherry slab for the top. For the bottom, I decided to go with 3 legs and I came up with this design with a slight taper, and they sort of flare out, sort of reminiscent of feet at the bottom of the leg. So I'm pretty pleased with how it came out from a design perspective. I sort of like it. It's unique. Functionally, I think it's going to be plenty strong, even as this guy will hopefully continue to grow. But please follow along and see how I build it. This guy was finished with 2 coats of shellac and then 3 coats of semi-gloss polyurethane. So please enjoy and thank you for watching. Okay, so with this top live edge cherry prepared, there's more work to be done on it, but I'm feeling pretty good about it. I've come up with a plan for legs. It may not be a good plan, it may not work, but it's a plan. So I went and looked through all of my materials, and I have these screw-ups from making my sculpted bar stool. What I'm thinking is I'm actually going to go with 3 legs rather than 4. I think if I take some of these and cut them such that I put a 5-degree angle on both ends so they tilt out a little bit, and I do 1 leg on one end, 2 on the other, and I just sort of space those out appropriately so they splay out, give it a little bit of visual interest and some stability. That might work. So what I'm going to do is, while these are square-ish, I'm going to go ahead and make those angled cuts. I'm going to prepare the joinery, so I'm currently thinking I'm going to use just great big dominoes for this, and then I'll think about shaping. So I might just go with just a heavy round over like this. I don't know, I'm just sort of winging it, but that's the plan. Let's do these step by step, see how that goes, and if it looks good, then we'll continue the next step.